So a while back I got an old horizontal mill. I've always wanted to get into machining and doing machinist type work. I'm working on welding too, but it was filthy. Before taking it apart, I thought I might be able to just do a quick cleanup and degreasing, but the more I degreased and the farther in I got, uh, the more I realized I just needed to take the whole thing apart and clean it up, sand it down, and then give it a fresh coat of paint. And I found some things that aren't working, but I thought I might take some videos of it as I work on it and try to get it put back together. And this is all the parts for it. This is the knee, I guess, so to speak, and there's the table for it. Here's an arbor, or an arm, I don't know what you'd call it, to support the mill. And then here's the coolant tank, and then here's part of the drive. This gib is broken, so I might try to find another gib to put in there. And so I'll be working on cleaning these pieces up little by little and then putting them back together on the mill. For now, I've got the mill casting cleaned up. I've spent a lot of time degreasing and sanding and grinding and everything to get it to this stage, and now I'm finally ready to paint it. I'm gonna do a couple coats of primer first, and hopefully I can get it painted in a way that'll be plenty durable for many years to come. The guy that I got this from, his wife said that she called it the Mangler because it's kind of an old grimy machine. So in honor of that, I think I might stencil on here somewhere on the side the Mangler. We'll see. The drive goes over on this side, and then some coolant went down on this side. Then the drive pulley comes up over to here onto the machine head, and this is what spins the tooling, and then the knee attaches here. So I will take some more pictures and videos as I go and just upload them. If you guys have any thoughts or any information about the mill, I'd love to hear more about it. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm done with the priming. I used a self-etching primer to get in there. I did about 4 coats, so it seems to be a pretty good thorough coat. So we'll see. A couple of little runs in there, but nothing too crazy. So I'll be choosing a permanent color. If you guys think of a color that you think would be fitting for it, trying to go for that kind of older look, feel free to comment if you have input. I'm kind of leaning towards just going with a darker gray, maybe a black, or kind of a lighter olive green or a gray green color. So that's all for now. Thanks.